Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are breaking down Mastodon, the decentralized platform everyone is talking about nowadays. If you are new to the idea of federated social networks, don't worry. In this video, I will explain how Mastodon works, how to find the best communities, how to follow people across different servers, and how to build your presence in a more open and user-controlled environment. By the end, you will be ready to explore the Fediverse like a pro. So right now I am at the website of the mastodon.social. So let's begin. First of all, I'll show you how you can create an account. When you come to this website, you will get this kind of interface. Okay, so you have to click on this create an account button so that you can create an account. Okay, so there are some ground rules. Make sure that you read out these rules. Okay, so you have to abide by these rules. Okay, so I accept all the rules. After that, you have to give your account informations. Let me put all the details here. So as you can see that I have put all the informations here. After writing my username, email address, and I've selected a password very carefully, and after adding date of birth, I have marked I have written agreement to the privacy and policy, and now I click on sign up button so that my account is successfully created at Mastodon. Okay, so they have sent an email. Let's check it, our email. So yes, we have received an email. Let's verify our email address here. So it's a security check. We have to fill a captcha first. So I'm a human, I'm not a robot. So let's fill the captcha. So we have to move V to the right position, I guess. So yes, let's verify. So we have to select two items, two different icons that are different from the, so the one is this and the second one is this, and let's click on next and let's see. So let's try another simple captcha. Okay, identify the tool that assist with mobility. So this is assist with mobility, this one. So let's select next and identify the tool that assists with mobility again, and this one, and let's verify. So yes, finally we have cleared the security check, and now let's click continue. So as you can see that our account has been successfully created. You can add your display name here, you can add your bio, you can also add your display picture by clicking this icon. Okay, so after doing this setting, you have to click on save and continue. So make sure to you write each and everything according to your niche. So let's go for the home. So as you can see that we haven't followed any people, so that's why no post is showing up here. So let's go for the trending section. Here you will see all the trending posts. So here you can follow the people, as well as you can make comments, you can also share the post with your followers. Okay, so that's how basically you can share posts, follow people, and you can increase your business growth, and you can join these centralized communities as well. Okay, so on the right side there is option for the live feeds as well, and you will also see an option for the notifications list and the trending followed hashtags, each and everything. You can also set your preferences here. So that was all about Mastodon social and how you can create an account and how you can use this. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.